Ooh, look at this rain. Woo! Y'all see that thunder? You see the flow? Y'all see this? Look in this direction. Look. It is raining. Look at that. Look over there. Oh my goodness. Look. Look up in the sky. Look in the trees. Oh my goodness. See the rain? Wow, it's crazy. Look at the road. You see how bad the rain is? This is not good, especially if you are driving. Please be careful. Drive safely. Please do not get in no accident. I'm not sticking this in the atmosphere. Please take your time and drive and go home safely and sound to your kids, to your family, and everything. Please, I'm begging you. Please, be careful out here today. See how thunder? See this? This is getting crazy. Alright, see you later.